Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the Moat Stream King, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen real quick. Y'all see I'm outside, so y'all know what I'm about to do. Take a sip of this water. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. What's going on, y'all? Listen, MyEcon, it is time to talk MyEcon. What's going on, y'all? Listen, everybody been hitting me up, asking me what am I doing? Am I doing it? Am I in it? Is it a good opportunity? Is it real? Is it a scam? Is it legit? How long it's been around? Listen, I told everybody. I was reached out to by one of the leaders in the company over 2 years ago. Reached out to me about getting involved with this opportunity. Like I told everyone, man, I was involved with 2 other opportunities at the time. MCA, okay, of course. And then I had another opportunity I was involved with. So I didn't want to do it right at the time, okay? Here's my warning for you all that's looking to get involved with MyEcon. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. But as you can see, we are. I'm in my neighborhood right now. I know y'all like, why is he right here? This is a building opportunity here with MyEcon, okay? This is a building business. This is not a sign-up game type business where you have to be the #1 recruiter and you got to make 1,000. You got to get 1,000 sales a week. No. All right. The key is 3. The key is 3. All right. Here's another warning for you all. All right. If you get involved with MyEcon, you want to get involved with some people who are going to help you. All right. There's a lot of opportunities out here. There's a lot of so-called leaders out here. Everyone's talking about, you know, I'm going to join this guy because they get a lot of sales. I'm going to join. Listen, this is not one of those opportunities, you guys. I'm not knocking anyone, but you need to be careful, okay? I have partnered with a guy who knows exactly what he's doing in this business. Multi-millionaire in this particular niche. This is network marketing, you guys, one-on-one. And I'm excited, all right? I'm excited about what's about to happen in MyEcon. I've been in maybe 72 hours, all right? I've already hit 2 levels, okay? I've been helping people on the team, all right, and they're already making sales. Basically, we're running a rotator, okay? So what I do, I got people hitting me up right now saying, hey, Lil Derek, I'm ready to sign up. And before they do, I send them another link, all right, because we're growing. We're helping each other win, okay? That's what's going on with MyEcon right now for the team Paid in Full family. We're not trying to get all the sales, you all. We're trying to help each other grow, and we're going to win as a team, and we're going to build an empire. Listen, over the next 24 to 48 hours, all right, I'm going to be doing personally branded websites for my team for free, all right? MyEcon comes with a website, but you all know me. I'm the king of branding, all right? And I believe in branding yourself, so I have personally branded websites for my team. So if you come in within the next 24 to 48 hours, I will do you a personally branded website for free. It's a 1-page website that's going to explain everything for you and help you get sales right away. Okay, we're working this thing quick. Success loves speed. But here's another warning for you. This is not a short-term business. This is a long-term business. All right, so you got to think long-term in this business. This is not one of those here today, gone tomorrow, or I'm going to make a quick $1,000 today. No, you don't want to think that way. Even though you can, you don't want to think that way. You want to think long-term. So we're building over here. We're building over here. Remember this, 3 is key. 2 is going to get you in the door. 2 is actually going to help you rank up to EVP, which is the first level. But 3 is the key. All right, and you're going to learn more as you get involved. All right, we're going to have tons of training coming. Listen to this. And then I'm going to get off of here. I was on a leadership call, all right, with multi-millionaires, what was that, day before yesterday? All right, and what we have planned is like no other team out here in MyEcon. I'm telling you now. You can take my word for it or you don't. All right? You can take my word for it or you don't. But we are going to win. We're already winning. I'm linked with winners, and we are going to win. Listen, MyEcon is the new wave. MyEcon is the future, and I'm telling you now, you would be crazy to sleep on it. All right, it doesn't matter if you're involved in other businesses. MyEcon, the business structure and the model of it and the product of it is reaching out to business owners. I've already signed up a multiple 6-figure earner in my company right now. He's a tax accountant, one of the #1 tax accountants in Dallas. He makes big money, and he caught the vision quickly. I only talked to him for 5 minutes and he jumped. All right, that's the power of this opportunity. All right, so there's more than one way to make money with this thing. My last warning: don't get in this opportunity just wanting to make money. Getting this opportunity to really use the product. One of the main products that has really catch people's attention is that this is a credit restoration business. It's going to teach you how to restore your credit on your own. A lot of you all are spending thousands of dollars for people to fix your credit when you can actually do it yourself. All right? And that's what this product has to offer. I'm not even going to get into all the products, but that's one of the main ones because me and my wife, that's what we're working on right now because we're working to build business credit. All right, so we can take our PNF brand to an entirely different level. You know, OPM, using other people's money. That's how the rich get richer. They're using other people's money. They're using business credit to grow their business, to market their business, to advertise their business. These are the secrets of the rich, y'all. This is the things they're already doing, and now you have access to it. You have access to the secrets of the rich with this opportunity, y'all. I can go on and on about MyEcon. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be sharing success results. I'm going to be sharing, you know, as our credit grows. I'm going to be sharing as other people on my team reach new levels and reach new ranks. So many average people who didn't make money in MCA, all right, are over here killing it right now. Are over here killing it right now, making 4 figures a week, and they just getting started. So listen, the ball is in your court. The link is going to be below. All right, my email is going to be attached as well. All right, if you're serious about this and you want to get involved, go ahead and sign up. All right, also email me because I might have you up under one of my teammates. But like I said, I'm helping the team grow. I'm basically giving away sales. I know some of you are going to say, well, I want you to be my sponsor. I am your sponsor. When you get involved with PNF, we're all one team, one dream, and we're all going to help each other. It's not about that. All right, it's not about who you sign up with. All right, as long as you get involved with the paid in full family, you are going to eat. So with that being said, I'm going to get off of here, man. Y'all see it's hot outside, but I had to come out here and share with you all this team building opportunity that I'm fired up about because this is network marketing at its finest, and I'm happy to be back in my realm. All right, and we're about to kill it. We are about to kill it. So I'll see y'all on the inside. Make a decision, man. Go ahead and click on the link and make sure you subscribe. I'm coming at y'all every single day with news. See y'all on the next video.